Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and install Chrome on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Safari and then search for Google Download, just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on Google Chrome, the fastest and secure web built to this right over here. And now simply go ahead and click on download Chrome, and that is about it. Once you go ahead and click on that, click on allow, and it's going to start downloading and installing the DMG file, as you can see. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open this DMG file and then launch it. When you go ahead and launch the DMG file, just drag and drop this to the application, and then I already have one, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. And it's just going to go ahead and do it. It's going to take a little bit time, so just give it some time. And there you go. It's going to be done as quick as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can simply go ahead and search for Google now, and you can just use it whenever you want to. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.